बंदौ गुरुपद कंज कृपा सिंधु नर रूप हरि महामोह तम पुंज जासु कृपा रवि कर निकर। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधो दीन बंधो जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। सुधी जनों, विद्वान एवं विदुषी नर नारियों, सभी बुद्धिजीवियों, I would like to congratulate all of you the festival of Rakshabandhan, the festival of Raksha Sutra, the festival of sacred thread. And also I want to discuss in very brief about the Rakshabandhan. And later on also I shall discuss in detail, but today I shall try to discuss in short about the historical and religious aspects of Rakshabandhan, which was earlier called Raksha Sutra. After Rana Saga's death, his widow Rani Karnavati was a regent for her minor son Vikramaditya. In 1534-35, Bahadur Shah, Sultan of Gujarat, attacked Chittor for the second time. Rani Karnavati sent a Rakhi to Mughal Emperor Humayun in Agra, calling him brother and asking for help, asking for her protection, for the protection of the empire. On 8th March 1535, Rani Karnavati approximately and approximately 13,000 women committed Jauhar, and Rajput men committed Saka. Humayun could not reach in time to save her Hindu sister, to save his Hindu sister, Rani Karnavati. He arrived but became late. It may be a legend or a fact. I can't challenge. But this story is a good message for us that we should be united. I have read this story perhaps in middle classes, class 6, 7 or 8. This story is a very good message for our unity. We should be united because united we rise and divided we fall. This is a living instance that how a Muslim brother tried his best to protect a Hindu queen, Karnavati. It shows the cultural power of Rakhi beyond religion. This festival also has scriptural origin. Rakshabandhan is first mentioned as Raksha Sutra, the sacred thread, not Rakhi. In Bhavishya Puran, Uttar Parv, chapter 137, Lord Krishna narrates the story of Raksha Sutra to Yudhishthir. During Devasur Sangram, Indra was losing to the demons. His guru Brihaspati advised his wife Indrani, that is Sachi, to prepare a protective thread, Raksha Sutra, protective thread, on the full moon of Shravan. Rice, mustard, and a sandalwood sanctified with mantras was tied on the right wrist of Indra. Indra won. The mantra is still chanted today, is from Bhavish Puran. And today also, Pandits tie Raksha Sutra to us. And the mantra is like this: En baddho bali raja danvendro mahabala ten tvam abhibandhanami rakshe machal. Thanks a lot. I shall discuss you and try to discuss today also in detail, taking so many religious examples of Raksha Sutra, sacred thread, Rakshabandhan. I shall try to discuss in detail today as well. So, thanks a lot. Jai Gurudev, Jai Shri Radhe Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Once again, a very happy Rakshabandhan to all of you. And we have in our mind that united we rise and divided we fall. We should not fight against each other. We are brothers and sisters. And so we should not fight on the name of religion, on the name of caste, on the name of creed. We should be united. Thanks a lot.